This exercise we are going to learn about cylinder. Okay, cylinder is of this shape where this is height of the cylinder we can say, and this will be the radius. Okay, so here we will talk about TSA of cylinder, total surface area, that is 2 pi r into r plus h. Then curved surface area, CSA, curved surface area or CSA of cylinder will be 2 pi r h, and volume of cylinder equals to pi r square h, where h is the height of the cylinder and r is radius of the base. Okay, now question from exercise 13.2. First question is, the curved surface area of right circular cylinder of height 14, height is given 14, is 88 centimeter square. What is 88 centimeter square? Curved surface area of cylinder is 88 centimeter square. Then find the diameter of the base of the cylinder. Diameter of the base of the cylinder. Okay, now we know CSA of cylinder is given by formula 2 pi r h, isn't it? But CSA of cylinder is given 88. 2 into pi value we should take always 22/7 until and unless it is mentioned that take 3.14. Okay, r is not given, h is given 14. Okay, so here what we can cancel, 7 ones are 7 twos are. Now 2 into 22, 44, 2s are 88. So 88 into r we got. So r will be 88/88, that is 1 centimeter. But what we should find here? Diameter. So diameter is what? 2 times r, isn't it? Diameter is twice of radius. So 2 into 1 will be 2 centimeters. So this is required quantity. Question 2 is, it is required to make a closed cylindrical tank of height 1 meter. So height is given 1 meter. Diameter is 140 centimeter. So radius will be diameter by 2, isn't it? So 140 divided by 2 means 70 centimeter. And height is 1 meter. So this height we can convert it into centimeter, or radius we can convert into meter. Units should be same. So better we'll convert this 70 centimeter into meter. So we should divide by 100, isn't it? So we will get 0.7 meter. Now question is, how many square meters of the sheet are required to make the cylinder? Okay, that means total surface area of cylinder we need to find here. So what we will write, total surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r plus h. So 2 into 22/7, r we got as 0.7. Then r is 0.7 plus h is 1. So see, this 0.1 will go, isn't it? So this will be 44 into 0.1, and 1 plus 0.7 means 1.7. This will be 4.4 into 1.7. So when you multiply this, you will get 748. Now after how many digit decimals are there? 2 digits. So we'll put after 2 digit. So answer will be in meter square, because all the units are in meter. So this much area of the metal sheet is required. Question number 3, it is given a metal pipe is 77 meter long. Okay, so this much is the length of the metal pipe. Inner diameter of cross section is 4 centimeter. So this inner diameter is 4. So radius will be 2. Okay, and outer diameter is 4.4 centimeter. Outer diameter means this one. Okay, if you observe a metal pipe, it is hollow in shape and cylindrical in shape. Hollow means this you can observe. Okay, now this will be 2.2 centimeter. Now three things we should find here. Inner curved surface area, inner CSA we can write, inner CSA. Then second is outer CSA. Then third is TSA. Okay. So for inner CSA, see for inner CSA, we know CSA formula is 2 pi RH. So H will be same, but for inner CSA radius will be 2. So what we can write, inner CSA will be given by formula 2 pi RH, where 2 into 22 by 7, R is 2 here, isn't it? R is 2, H is 77. You can write here all the things. R1 we can say, because two radius are given, isn't it? So inner radius will be 2 centimeter and R2 will be 2.2 centimeter. H will be 77 centimeter. So see, 7 ones are 7. Okay, so it will be 44 into 22. So this will give answer as 968. Okay, centimeter square. Now second part of the question is outer CSA. So for outer CSA also height is same, but the radius is what, 2.2. Okay, so 2 pi or outer CSA R2H. Okay, so it will be 222 by 7, 2.2, and H is 77. So again it will go now 44 into 2.2 into 11. So this we can multiply, 44 into 11 we can do 484 we will get, then 2.2. Okay, so 484 into 2.2 will give 10648 centimeter square. But after how many digit decimal is there? 1 digit. So we'll put 1 digit. So it will be 1064.8. Now to find TSA. See, to find TSA we have to be very careful here. TSA means this cylindrical pipe or metal pipe is hollow from inside. Okay, so what we should consider, only this thickness part. This thickness part we should consider here. So always remember what we can do. We can find area of the outer circle, okay, area of the inner circle, plus inner curved surface area plus outer curved surface area. Okay, I will show how to find. Okay, see, actually if you observe this metal pipe from top view, if you observe, you will get this one. Okay, this radius is 2 centimeter and this radius is 2.2. Okay, so now what we should do to find total surface area of this, we should add outer surface area, curved outer CSA, which we got already, then inner CSA. Okay, and this base part also. So base part is not circle. If you observe, base part is ring, and both the side, top side also, bottom side also. So to find this length, this area, what we can do? Pi bigger square minus pi r1 square. Okay, pi r2 square means area of circle. So two circles are there, one with 2.2 centimeter radius, then another one is 2 with 2 centimeter. Okay, so from bigger circle, area of smaller circle, if you subtract, you will get the ring part. That only we want. Okay, now this is for bottom surface. We want from top surface also. Both bottom surface and top surfaces contains this face. So that times 2 times we should find this. Okay, so what we will do here, area of top and bottom face we can write. So understood, 2 pi r2 square minus pi r1 square. So 2 pi we can take common, r2 square minus r1 square is identity. So 2 pi r2 minus r1, r2 plus r1. Okay. Now substitute the value. Pi is 22 by 7. r2 minus r1 means 2.2 minus 2 and 2.2 plus 2. Okay. So this will give answer as, this will be 44 by 7. 2.2 minus 2 means 0.2, isn't it? And here this will be 4.2. So this 7, 6 are 42 you can write. Then 44 into 0.12 will come. Okay. Now from 12 you can multiply this. 528, but after 2-digit decimal, so 5.28 centimeter square. Okay, so this one total surface area, for total surface area this one we will add, and first two. Okay, so final answer will be for the third part. TSA of pipe we can write inner CSA, outer CSA plus top and bottom area of top and bottom surface. Okay, so this will be, this we got 968, second one we got 1064.8, and now we got 5.28. so if we add all these together we will get our final answer. Okay, so 2038.08 centimeter square is the final TSA.